Connecticut, Virginia, was government.
So this looks like the United States map, correct?
Yes.
Look back. This is the United States map. This is how it looked originally, before we had all of our states. So, before we had claimed all of our territory, right? You see that this was unclaimed, this section right here. You can look on your paper as well. This was unclaimed. This whole section was the colony of Louisiana. Louisiana is not this big anymore. This belongs to the United Kingdom, so this wasn't even part of the United States anymore. And then you have New Spain right here. So in 1787, we only had, I think, about 17 states. Because remember, you gotta apply to be a state. And you have to have a population of 60,000 people. So we were just getting started. We were nowhere near exploring the rest of the United States or having ownership of the land in the United States. Look, please. Right here. Russia. Right here. East Florida. All right, context. What do I need to know to think critically, which is what we're focusing on this entire quarter, right? Critically thinking, that's why we're doing discourse, that's why we're having conversations, so we can learn how to critically think on our own. So, moving forward, when we take Cornell notes, it's gonna be in this structure. Keywords question. I wanted to do this and actually show you. Show you. So imagine this is your paper. You're going to draw this line all the way down. You can't really see this green line, but imagine this line being on the left side of your paper. Keywords, questions, quick notes. My suggestion, for each thing you should have something different. So if you want quick notes, I would say put a star. If you want abbreviations, abbreviate, of course. And if you're doing key thoughts, then you bullet point. Don't worry, we're gonna go over this with your actual notebook. I'm just giving you an example. So, quick notes, abbreviations, key thoughts. This is just to simply distinguish what you're doing, because in the moment you might be bullet pointing everything, and then when you go back to look in your notes, you're not gonna be able to differentiate whether you wrote quick notes or key thoughts. So, having a star or even a dash, something different for each thing. You're not going to need it today, but that's for moving forward. In your packet you have questions. So flip your papers over. Yes, hold up here. Flip your paper over to those questions. We're on part 1, investigation. You're gonna watch a video. Yes. While you are watching this video, look at the questions and try to answer them. So, there's different sections to the land ordinance. There were different sections to the other land ordinance. So we have section 9, 11, right? And then we have articles 1, 3, and 6. Thank you. So, section 9, can I have someone read? Gianna, go ahead.
Section 9. So soon as there shall be 5,000.
Everybody, eyes should be on their paper, pencil should be out. Go ahead.
Section 9. So soon as there shall be 5,000 female inhabitants of full age in the district upon giving proof thereof to the government.
So, for this activity, what you're specifically going to be doing is returning calls. Not yet, after you watch this video, I just wanna prep you so that when we watch this video, we know exactly what we're doing. You're gonna read this and have a turn and talk and ask, what is this saying? What were they saying in this specific section of the ordinance? You're gonna do that for section 11, 1, 3, and 6. With a partner. I just want you to review and know what we're doing before we watch the video. The video is gonna give you insight into each section and article, but I need you to know what we're doing. So, starting the video. When I play this video, you are not talking at all, you are not singing, your mask should be over your nose. And if you happen to catch something, just write it down on your paper. So pencil should be in here at all times. All right. Thank you.
In 1783,